The bison, a majestic creature of the animal kingdom, is a large, shaggy member of the oxen family. It's native to North America and is often associated with the wild, untamed spirit of the continent. These massive beasts can weigh up to a ton and stand up to 6 feet at the shoulder. They have a hump on their shoulders, which is not a hump of fat, but a collection of tough muscles and a layer of fat that helps them conserve energy in cold weather. Bison are herbivores, grazing on grasses, leaves, and other plant material. They have a unique digestive system that allows them to extract nutrients from tough, fibrous plants that other animals cannot. This system includes a 4-chambered stomach and a large, round, and hard-to-digest food called a rumen. The bison's diet and digestive system have a profound impact on the ecosystems they inhabit. They help control vegetation and create open spaces, which benefits other species. Their grazing patterns can even improve soil quality by aerating it and distributing seeds. Bison were once numerous in North America, numbering in the tens of millions. However, they were hunted to near extinction in the 19th century. Today, conservation efforts have helped bring their numbers back up, with an estimated 300,000 bison roaming the continent once again. Bison are not just a symbol of the American West, they are a vital part of its ecosystems. They are a testament to the resilience of nature and the importance of conservation. So, the next time you see a bison, take a moment to appreciate this magnificent creature and the role it plays in maintaining the balance of the ecosystem.